Redis is fast and simple to start with, but a handful of easy mistakes can quietly destroy performance or cause data loss. In this video, we will walk through the most common pitfalls and how to spot them in a code review. These 4 issues are so common because they work fine in development and only reveal themselves under real load or after an outage. Each one has a correct pattern right next to the dangerous one. Keys is a single blocking call that iterates every key before returning anything. Scan breaks that same work into small cursor-driven batches so other clients can be served between each step. Watch the TTL command. A return value of -1 means the key has no expiry and will consume memory indefinitely. Setting EX at write time is the simplest fix. We finish with scan to show the cursor-based alternative to keys. Use this as your checklist when reviewing any pull request that touches Redis. The 4 right column entries are the exact issues most likely to cause an incident: a blocked event loop, an out-of-memory cache, a slow command on a huge key, or lost data after a restart. 4 rules. Use scan not keys, always set TTLs, watch for big keys and slow commands, and keep a durable database alongside Redis. Catch any one of these in review and you have just prevented a production incident.